Dear students, today my topic is topic is Draw tab in Microsoft Excel. Draw tab in Microsoft Excel. Before going to this class, please subscribe my channel King Classroom, and subscribe my channel link is youtube.com www.youtube.com/king_classroom. Watch all videos, learn the subject, like the videos, share the videos to your friends. Now open the Excel. Excel. New page and zoom this up to 250. Now directly go to Draw tab. Here Draw tab, so many is there, and first draw with touch. Draw with touch means touch screen. I am using touch. That is touch. A square plus B square plus 2AB. If you want to erase it with the help of eraser, you can erase it. Okay, this is draw with touch. Now lasso selection. This is lasso selection. If you want to ink it or anything with lasso selection, we can select cut here. The lasso selection will be. If you want to cut here this block and extend to this block, you want to like this. This is lasso selection. Control X for cut. Then pen. If you want to write with pen, this is the pen. Okay. If you want to write with this one is pen, red pen. I am writing my name, that is Raju. R-A-J-U. And this is what, and this is also pen, gold color, but here the colors is there, pattern colors, effects colors, like this you will find the effects. Okay, and this is on the pens, pen alternative, and this is also more colors, more effects, and the point, increase the point also. Now the pen like this, but we have to select this one. Now the pen like this. This is the marker, highlighter or something. Highlighter with colors is also there. Suppose we want to highlight this one. Lightly highlight. Suppose I am typing here R-A-J-U-S, Rajush. Then I want to highlight this one with green color. Then highlight this block like this. This is the highlighter. Highlighter used to highlight the text. Okay. Then last is the pencil. Pencil, if you want to take pencil with blue color, also pencil like this. Okay. Pencil. Add pen if you want to add pen. Pen, pencil, highlighter if you want to add it. And I am adding the highlighter like this. Okay. Ink to shape. Ink